Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Gold Reaper Expert Advisor for both MT4 and MT5 from Profalgo Limited. This is the updated version built on the popular Gold Trade Pro foundation, and it's available for just $849. And before we dive into today's Expert Advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and you can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check that out, it's worth it. And about the Gold Reaper MT5, the seller describes it as a breakout system that trades important support and resistance levels on XAUUSD. Gold's high volatility makes it perfect for this approach, and it uses multiple confirmation algorithms internally to pick the best entry price and actually runs several strategies at the same time to spread the risk. Every trade gets a hard stop loss and take profit, but it also applies trailing stop loss and trailing take profit to protect profits and let winners run longer. And it can work across multiple time frames, as you can see, as it's been said here. It can work across multiple time frames internally and gives you control over trade frequency from conservative all the way to extreme, and the system auto adjusts both trade frequency and lot size based on your account and the maximum drawdown you are comfortable with. So you can set all of this, and they emphasize no greed, no martingale, no risky money management according to what they say. And we can see all of that. Their backtest shows stable growth with controlled drawdowns and fast recoveries. It's been stress tested over the longest available gold history using different price feeds, and they say nothing breaks it. You can see this total net profit is about $108,822 and has a win rate of 81%. So honest developer with 15 plus years experience. So there's no AI hype, just proven methodology, and they even note low correlation with Gold Trade Pro, so you can run both together for smoother equity. Also, they have their signal. They have their signal, which they have been tracking since 2024. We have 270% growth on the live signal, and it's shared by this developer, and it has about 11 reviews. You can see trades 712 and profitable trades at 512 and losing trades at 200, and steady growth, steady climb on the upside. So that's it. History, you can see. And this is the statistics also. Everything's on point. And let's look at the features and settings of this expert advisor. We have the show info panel, and you can actually adjust the info panel of the expert advisor. Just attach this expert advisor to your XAUUSD 1 hour chart and set your preferred maximum allowed drawdown, and the EA handles the rest automatically. You can also manually choose trade frequency if you want, and there's a maximum spread filter and Friday stop hour and some others, so you don't hold trades over the weekend. NFP filter that can close open trades and pending orders around news. There is also randomization of entries and exits for prop firm safety and different lot size calculation methods. And the minimum account size they list is just $300, and it's prop firm ready according to the marketing. I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on this expert advisor, the Gold Reaper expert advisor, and my backtest was from April 21st, 2025 to April 2026 with 10k starting deposit. And we have an equity curve that is also rising to the top. Looking at this equity curve, it starts with steady slope growth and it has some nice upward climbs, especially during strong trending periods. And we have a few flat or slightly choppy sections where it gives a bit back. You can see it, but still it finishes with solid gains. Total net profits are around $15,925. Profit factor is about 2.39. Max equity drawdown about 15.4%, and we have 568 trades, roughly 67 to 70% winners depending on long or short. All of these are available to see here from my own backtest, and these numbers line up pretty closely with what the developer shows on their page and also on the live signal like I showed you earlier. The thing is, in strong trading gold markets, this EA performs really well. You can see how it takes its entries. We can see that it takes multiple trades at a time. The developer said that it doesn't trade grid or martingale, but looking at it, we can see these multiple trades opening at the same time. We have another one here, and you know what this means? If multiple trades are open and they happen to run into loss, you know the risk involved in that, and you notice you can get chop around the range in markets also like this one with multiple entries on pullbacks. The inputs that actually matter are the max allowed drawdown setting, controls everything, plus trade frequency, fake breakout filter, NFP settings, and spread filter. Honestly, the 15% backtest drawdown can stretch to 25% or more in live trading with slippage, especially if you're not on a raw spread broker. It's not martingale, like I said, but the dynamic sizing and multiple concurrent trades mean one or two bad periods can still hurt. You can see this was a loss taken after this multiple trades. Here had this loss taken here, and that's it from my backtest. Spread sensitivity is real, so you need tight conditions on gold. You need it to actually be trending to be able to take proper trades. But overall, the Gold Reaper is one of the more transparent gold breakout EAs out there, and it does what the seller claims when the market trends. But it's not magic in chop, as we all know it. Good for experienced traders who understand gold's personality and can handle 15 to 25% drawdowns, and also for traders who run it on a proper low spread account. Beginners who panic when it opens several trades or see a drawdown spike should probably avoid this expert advisor. From what I've shown you, you can tell how it operates and what you will likely experience when trading with this expert advisor. And that's the process of drawdowns will always vary depending on market conditions and the lot size / risk that you are using on this expert advisor. So what do you guys think? Have you tried it, or have you tried any other Profalgo expert advisors? Drop a comment below. Which EA should I test next? If this was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss future reviews. And grab that free robot in the description. It's actually worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.